In this video, we will show you how to replace your horn assemblies on this Ford Fusion. This will be located inside of your front wheel well. Let's get into it. We're going to have to start removing the forward fender liner on the passenger side. To do that, safely raise and support your vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Continue on to removing all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and then the wheel. With that out of the way, let's continue on to starting to remove our wheel well panel. This is going to be the area that goes underneath the front bumper cover. This will be held in place with several 7mm headed mounting bolts coming across here, and then also you'll have some push clips going up inside the wheel well. Making our way in the wheel well, we'll continue on with a trim tool or small prying device. This is where you're going to find several push tabs. To remove those, you want to remove the center to unlock them. Once it's unlocked, you should be able to remove the outer portion as well. A quick inspection will set it aside and continue on. If your push pins happen to come apart, just go ahead and slide them back together, leaving them in the unlocked position. At this point, we'll take hold of this and we'll give it a light tug rearward. Go ahead and tuck it up and behind the brakes, being careful not to cause any damage. Let's continue on over at the horns. We'll disconnect the electrical connector. It has one locking tab where my thumb is. Go ahead and squeeze that in, give it a tug, and separate it. With it separated, we'll give it a quick inspection for corrosion and we can set that wiring aside. We'll continue on by removing the entire horn assembly area. You can do that by removing this 13mm headed mounting bolt. Take hold of that assembly. Remove your mounting bolt. All right, let's get ready to install our horn assembly. When we bring this into place, we want to be paying attention to our locating hook and our mounting port hole. We'll align this area. Careful for any wiring. Get it in position, start in your mounting bolt and snug it up. Just double check to make sure the horns aren't resting up against your washer fluid tank. If they are, you can gently bend them away. We'll continue on with that electrical harness. Go ahead and line that up and plug it in. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secure. All right, let's take that fender liner and we'll put it in position. Aligning all of our push pin holes, we can continue on by inserting those push pins. When doing so, you push in the outer portion first and then lock it in by pressing in the center. All right, once all those are in, let's continue on underneath the front bumper cover. Now under this area, you want to make sure that you have the fender liner up above the bumper cover. We'll pay attention over here as well. Once again, we're going up and above the skid shield. Once you have it in the proper placement, continue on by putting in all of your mounting bolts. Let's reinstall our wheel. Start on all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts. We'll bottom them out. Get the wheel safely back down on the ground, and then we can torque each of these to 100 foot-pounds. With the wheel safely back down on the ground, let's torque these in a crisscross manner. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your horn assembly on your vehicle. At this point, you can go ahead and hop inside the passenger compartment and test its functionality. After that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.